Hello beautiful you family, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Shirley. Let's get right into this video. So today I am going to be styling my hair and doing a very simple and easy updo. So first I use my shea butter cream that I made, and I apply some in my hair, and as you can see, I'm sectioning my hair into two parts. So let's get right in and keep watching. If you really like this video, please make sure you subscribe, you like, you share with a friend, with another natural sister. Beautiful you natural sisters, just keep watching, just relax and keep watching. And I bet you as soon as I'm done with this hairstyle, girl, I know you're going to be doing the same thing, and I want you to try it. Try it. It's super easy and it came out so beautiful. Until I see you in my next video, please again like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.